Well, hello and welcome to NXG Markets. This is Mohsen Ismail. Well, if you're coming in for the first time on NXG Markets, then please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. And just to let you know that this video is based on the educational purpose uh, and not as a financial advice. So please trade at your own risk. Now, let's start with what is for the day. Today being the 13th of August, Wednesday, we have important news coming in from Australian dollar, but not a lot of news for USD. In terms of when we talk about the high impact or high volatility news, there are very less news that we can see today. So, which means that today the market might be in range bound, and we have to understand the range as to where we can trade. So, without wasting a lot of time, let's get straight to this. I'll try and keep this video as short and uh, concise to the point. Now, this is where we will understand as to today's point of the day, which you have to remember and note down if you can, is 3350. This is the line. If you see there are not a lot of volume that is coming in, that is getting generated since morning when the market has started from yesterday. When what happened was, of course, when because of the news, you saw a little bit of kind of liquidity sweep, which happened. And since a long time, if you look at the market is ranging between the same odd figures. So what it means is basically that you have to wait for the breakout structure. Either ways, only then you will be able to open the position. Now, let's understand as to over here, considering today's point of the day being 3350 again, and the market has been moving in and around the same area. One of the best ways and the best practices to do is, of course, if the market is above 3350, then we will consider buy. And considering buy situation, how are we going to go with that? If we have any market closing above 3350, then on the retest you will buy and you will wait. The first target be 3359 to 3360. That is going to be your first target. Then on the retest, if it gets rejected and if it takes the support and then goes up, then we have our very old 3375 as the next target. And from there, if it is going further up, then it is going at 3397 mark, which we already have. Now, this is for the buy situation that we look at, considering the market in the range bound. If it goes, it might go up towards these ranges that we discussed. Now, if the market is going on downside or making it a bearish movement, then if it closes below 3350, then we come down and let's understand the first take profit to be around about 3340 to 3342 or 43. Yeah. So, and after that, on the retest, if it fails on the resistance and comes down again, then we have got 333 mark. Now, this is a very special mark again for today. Please make a note of that. And that is when you have a very good support, a very strong support of 3325, which there is a possibility today it might reach if it is going downwards, right? And if it's good rejected, then we have the last, and of course, support, which is again a very strong support of 3300 or 3302, 3301. And this is where you will probably book all your profits and then hold on, because at 3325, now this is something important for you to understand, at 3325 and at 3300 or 3301 and 2, you might get a very good buy position. So at this time, when we reach at the target of 3325, make sure that you don't make any decisions in haste. So what we are going to do is we are going to just hold on, wait till we get a confirmation or a retest, whether it is a support going up or it is crossing that back in. And that is when you enter, because both these positions of 3325 and 3300, you can get a very good buy positions again, right? So this is what the range for the day is, right? And it's very important for us to understand. The other things that I would want to say is on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, if you, I said this in the last video as well. And if you have not, then please again go ahead and check that video back again with the BTC as the thumbnail, BTC plus Ethereum plus gold. We did inform you that as far as the movement of Bitcoin and Ethereum is concerned, Ethereum is going very, very strong. And that is what we can see as Ethereum going at reaching at an all-time high rate of 4667, which was expected. And the reason this is happening is because there has been a lot of institutional stocks, putting in Ethereum. And that is one of the reasons why this is happening. And there's a lot of course, news coming in from Mr. Trump, covering with the aspects of making cryptocurrencies as a backup and a workable currency or investment for people, even with people with pensions, and so a lot of things, a lot of people are coming in and getting into it. In fact, big institutions are getting into stocking Ethereum, and this is a very good news. All right. So if you have lost the opportunity in the past for the Bitcoin, then this is your chance for Ethereum. Don't let it go away. Right. But that's all I have for you today in the short video of the day analysis. You have a wonderful day and a great life. Thank you.